Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the next academic year 2020 and 21. I will be your English teacher. Myself, Sumaya Khan. I will be teaching you English for the academic year 20 and 21. See, children, before I begin, I just want to tell you all whenever I start teaching, I just want you all to be ready along with your textbook and pencil in your hand because during explanation I give meanings. So, there and then only in the textbook itself, you have to write the meaning with pencil. Your textbook should be full of written meanings. So, make a habit. Okay, now come on, take your textbook and pencil. Textbook page number 2. Okay, I am going to start with the very first poem, that is 1.1 Life. See, children, this poem is written by Charlotte Bronte. She is the poetess, and the poem, she has shown the very positive side of the life, which I'll explain you throughout the poem. Okay. After that, you have a warm up activity. See, children, this is a very important activity which is always there before every lesson and every poem. Now, you will ask me why there is a warm up activity. See, warming up activity prepares you for the lesson. It gear ups you for the lesson. So let's see what is there in the warm up activity. There are many popular lines like life is a game, play it well. Life is a journey, keep going ahead. Discuss and write down a few such metaphorical lines about life. You can make them up yourselves. Now, first of all, what do you mean by metaphorical lines? See, children, it's one of the figure of speech. When poet compares something directly, that is called metaphor. Okay, that means poet is saying that that thing is some another. Okay, सपोज योर लाइफ इज अ गेम. लाइफ को क्या बोला जा रहा है? गेम बोला जा रहा है. लाइफ इज अ जर्नी. ओके, so this is called metaphor. So you have to make as many as metaphorical line by using word life. You have to compare the life. See, children, there are many people on this planet. Okay, everybody has their opinion and their view, and everybody has their different kind of thinking. Fine, some people they say that life is very boring, or life is a very big drama. Okay, life is a movie, है ना? Life is biggest headache. As many as there are positive and negative both the thoughts. Fine, so here few thoughts are given. Life is a game, life is a journey. According to you, I just want to know, according to you, what is life? You will be writing there in the textbook itself. See, I have done few examples for you. Life is a movie, है ना? We all play so many characters. Enjoy it to the full. Life is short picnic. एक छोटी सी पिकनिक है. Enjoy each and every moment of life. Life is a seesaw, sometimes up, sometimes down. Very, very important line. See, children, every time is not same always. Okay, sometimes there is a ups and downs. Means what? Circumstances, हालात कभी अच्छे कभी बुरे होते ही रहते हैं, है ना? जैसे कि हमने देखा नाउ COVID-19 इज गोइंग ऑन. सो यर द circumstances are very big. Circumstances are very bad, and somewhere it is worst. As we have seen, people have faced so many problems from last 3 months. So life is a, but yes, this time will also pass. It will not remain same. So here you should have a faith on yourself, and you should have courage. Fine. So I hope you understood what you have to do here. So make as many as lines you can. Second one, prepare as many acrostics using the word life as you can. Two examples are given below. L-I-F-E, life. This is the spelling of life. Acrostics means what? You have to catch each and every alphabet, and from that you have to make a new word. Suppose life has 4 alphabets, that is L-I-F-E. So from L you will make a new word, from I you will make a new word, and from F you will make a new word, and from E again you will make a new word. See, 2 examples are already done for you. I hope you understood. 3 more examples you will make on your own, and there and then only in the textbook itself you will write. No need to write in the notebook. There in the textbook only. See, this is warm up activity. You don't have to write in the paper. It doesn't come in the exams also. Okay, so you have to write in the textbook itself. Go down now. Number 3. Listen carefully and write the word in appropriate column. See, this is also one of the activity, and this is also very interesting. Positive feelings and negative feelings. See, feelings are given them down. Feelings are given there down. You have to segregate them. उनको अलग अलग करना है. You have to sort out and you have to segregate which feelings are positive and which feelings are negative. Hopeful, lonely, happy. Obviously, what is positive? Hopeful. This is a very positive quality. It will come in positive feeling. Jealous, negative feeling. Of course, if you are jealous with someone, that is a very negative feeling. So this also you will do for homework. Write there and then only in the textbook itself. No problem with that. Understood everybody what you have to do with the warm-up activity? Now we will start our very first poem, 1.1 Life. See, here keep a pencil in your hand, and there and then only in the textbook itself you will be writing meaning. And children, if you have any problem, any queries, you can ask me. No problem with that. Life, believe, is not a dream. Life, after life there is a comma. Ruk jao. Life, believe, again you stop. Believe karo, is not a dream. Okay, it's not a dream. So dark as sages say. So dark as sages say. What do you mean by sages here? Wise men, अक्लमंद लोग या लोग. लाइफ जो है ये एक कोई बुरा ख्वाब नहीं है जैसे कि लोग कहते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. OFT often, 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 frequently, हमेशा, अक्सर. Okay, mostly. Often a little morning rain, often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Foretells means to predict. एक अंदाज लगाना, ऐसा होगा. Prediction. So, often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. If there is a little morning rain, if in the morning there is a little rain or little shower, everything becomes so pleasant and we feel that definitely the day is going to be good. है ना. अगर सुबह सुबह हल्की सी बारिश हो तो हम एक अंदाज़ा लगाते हैं. फोरटेल्स, दैट इज प्रिडिक्शन, दैट मीन्स अंदाज़ा लगाना. Okay, that the day will be nice. Okay, so this is one of the hope, this is one of the prediction, and this is one of the positive feeling. Okay, again I'll go behind. Life, believe, is not a dream. As I told you, there are many people in this world, they have their own views. किसी के लिए जिंदगी दुख है. See, if there is a sorrow in the life, obviously there will be happiness. There is always hope for the better time. Fine. So don't give up, children. We should not give up. So this only the people as don't believe that life is a dream or something, or it's a very bad thing, or it's a very dark dream, as sages say. Because people, they will say, okay, बोलते हैं ना हम, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. So we don't have to trust. Often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Early morning, if there is a little shower also, we feel fresh and we predict that the day will be nice. See, I have given meanings also here. So, you will be writing these meanings in the notebook. Okay, now we will move to the next stanza. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom. Sometimes, kabhi kabhi, there are clouds of gloom. Children, now tell me, what do you mean by gloom? Gloom means darkness or sadness. As I told you, there are always a good and bad, both the times in the life. है ना? Life has all the flavors, bitter, sweet, sour. So sometimes there are clouds of gloom. कभी कभी वक्त बुरा भी होता है. हम बोलते हैं ना दुख के बादल. So it's like that, clouds of gloom. But these are transient all. But these are transient all. Transient means what? Temporary. Okay? For some time. हमेशा के लिए है क्या? No. For temporary. So but these are transient all. As I told you, the COVID-19, this is the way we can say now the time which is going on, it's a cloud of gloom, but it is transient, as we all know, है ना? After, when it will, everything will be fine, we will meet again. What is this? This is hope which we have. Fine. तो बुरा वक्त भी जो होता है वो कुछ समय के लिए होता है, हमेशा के लिए नहीं होता. सो ट्रांजिएंट मीन्स टेम्पोररी. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why laminate it fall? If the shower, you know what, we all know that if there is a rain, then only there is irrigation and everything, there is only life, otherwise there will be no life. If the shower will make the roses bloom, bloom मतलब गुलाब का खिलना. कैसे खिलता है गुलाब? बारिश होती है तो गुलाब खिलता है, ये हमें भी पता है. बट स्टिल, ओ why laminate regret, then why we have a regret of rainfall? But when there is a heavy rainfall, we have a complaint with that also, है ना? Why? You should enjoy each and everything which is given by nature to us. Okay? Every coin has two sides, good and bad effects. So your life is also have two sides. Ups and downs comes. It's a part of the life. If it will not be there, you will not enjoy, or you will not understand the importance of this life. Fine, which we have got. So I'll stop here, children. I'll continue in the next period, next lecture. Till then, what you all have to do is, you have to read each and every line properly. Okay, try to understand the meaning. And your homework will be, you all will be writing the poem in the notebook. It's a very big poem, that's why I have taken only half I'll be taking in the next lecture. Okay, so write poem in the notebook with very colorful background. Okay, make your life colorful. I just want to see how you color your life on the book. Okay, background में उसको color करो और उसके ऊपर आपको लिखना है, तो it will look beautiful. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.